Hi there, it is all here again from Screen Money, and in today's video I will be showing you where you can find work from home jobs and start that career from home. These jobs will pay you from $3,000 to $10,000 per week depending on your skill set, but they also offer training. Before we continue, smash that like button and click on the subscribe and bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's get into it. So the opportunity I will be bringing you is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional network in more than 100 countries. Those countries include the US and the UK, Australia and Canada, India, China and many more countries. LinkedIn is by far one of the world's biggest search engines when it comes to linking people to different opportunities. So if you are looking for work from home jobs, LinkedIn is something they should definitely look at and don't miss out that opportunity. So I will explain to you a little bit about LinkedIn. LinkedIn has been around since 2003. It has been around for a long time and it is one of the more reputable companies, if not probably the most reputable company out there when it comes to looking for jobs or connecting people with different opportunities. Whether you are looking for an employee or you are an employee and you are looking for an employer. A huge amount of opportunity with LinkedIn. If you haven't jumped onto LinkedIn, I suggest that you. LinkedIn is one of those companies that obviously attracts talent to the world's largest professional audience and power your social skill efforts with time sales, intelligence, and develop talent and keep skills relevant. So what I will do now is I will take the first step and I will show you what you need to do to start up a LinkedIn profile, and we will do that now. The first thing that you want to look at doing is creating yourself a LinkedIn profile. To do that, you sign in. Once you will have a sign on button there, it will automatically take you to create a profile for yourself, and what that looks like I will go through. It is very briefly for those of you that you are LinkedIn profile. Just bear with me, and what I will do is go through this quickly, and once you go into it, you put in all your details and put in where you are currently working and what you are doing. You need to enter in all your experience, everything that you have done throughout your working history, which will help you gain positions that you are looking for, any experiences that you have, any jobs that you have previously had, any skill sets that you have that will help you, any education level that you have as well, and then obviously putting all your interests, anything that you like doing or anything that you interests you on LinkedIn, and set up your profile, and that's all done. Very easy to set up. You can obviously start using LinkedIn to network with other different sort of companies, and you can obviously build a profile and follow people as well. So once you have done and set up your LinkedIn profile, what you will need to do from there is go straight into the search tab up, and from the search tab what I would like you to do is to enter in work from home jobs. Now once you enter in work from home jobs, you can see that there is a tab where you can select worldwide, which is good. Now as you will see, once I have selected the worldwide, a lot of jobs will come up under this option, and there is jobs from everywhere, like I said, all different countries, and I will explore a few of those with you right now. Once you click into those, what will actually happen is when you click on a particular work from home jobs, it will take you straight through to that particular company, and then you can have a quick grade. So the first company that I will have gone into here is Work at Home Jobs. Let me just have a quick. It is actually Courtney I Work at Home Jobs, and you can see the location. There is as well how many followers. Like I said, these are genuine legit work from home jobs that you can start doing pretty much straight away, and obviously you can get hired pretty much immediately. So Work at Home Jobs has been helping people to find legitimate work from home jobs since 2003. They are the world's largest work from home job search engine, with our 40,000 legitimate work from home jobs added every month. They index work from home jobs from a variety of sources, including the largest small freelance job. Their goal is to help low unemployment, connecting those in need of work with those in need of talent. So there you go and set up LinkedIn profile, and you are looking for that work from home job campaigns like this. Will definitely be able to put you in the right direction. So employment jobs, work from home work, so everything that you need. And I want to show you a company, and this is a company. They have all got their details, so when you go into them, this particular company, a lot of people like to do online service. They are quick and they are fast, and you can now keep generating that income while you are doing that. So this company offering best service. Let's just have a quick read about the job overview. Are you looking for a career that will allow you to work from home and push forward your customer service skills? Are you known for your friendly personality and your desire to help others? You will find a golden opportunity among Canada, Los St. John team. So that's very important. You know, when you look at a lot of these opportunities online, there's a lot of people that I have seen in reviews that say they have signed up to something and they sent away their resume, or they have applied for work and they just don't get it with LinkedIn and with the campaigns that are free out of themselves. LinkedIn, they are genuine campaigns that are looking for people to work effective immediately. So get that LinkedIn and search and start looking for these jobs and start looking for these jobs. As you can see, this particular company what will offer competitive hour wage of $16 after training, includes a premium $2 full paid training and coaching program. So this is one of the more similar sort of jobs, and what we will start doing is we have a look at some campaigns where we can actually earn a lot more money at the start of this video. But before I do that, I want to bring you to this insurance vertical customer service agent about the job. Identify helps candidates around the world to discover and stay focused on the jobs they want until they can complete a full application in the hiring company career page. Work with us and you will enjoy earn from $13 to $17 per hour, pay, permanent work at home options, full-time schedule, 14 hours per week, 100% paid training for benefits, package including medical, dental, vision, life insurance, and company match-it, retirement plan, paid time off if you possess, multitasking skills, the ability to speak on the phone while using a computer, logic and problem-solving skills, excellent communication skills, both writing, verbal customer survey experience, preferred but not required experience in the financial service, healthcare or technology industries, preferred but not required. It is a lot of money to be working from home. If you third skill that you want to jump on and you want to have a look, please jump on to LinkedIn. Is definitely one of the more better work from home opportunities. Now when you go into the search, you have a look here. There is all different tabs, so when the actual jobs are being posted, you can have a look that experience level, entry level, associate, mid-senior, director, easy to apply, the company you can select. You can see obviously Upwork and Global Logic and different tips, and then job type depending on your time. Always you'll be able to earn a little bit more money, but more importantly, if you don't want to see any jobs, just filter that through, and obviously that will bring you up for your service. Now like I said, this is one if you're looking to work from home, so ample amount of opportunity. You don't need to go fat. All you need to do is go to LinkedIn and sign in, create that profile for yourself and start looking for work from home jobs. If you want to target the search, if you are in the US, if you are in the UK, if you are in China, if you are anywhere around the world, put the location filter through these options and select exactly what role you are looking for. You can search even for particular roles. On the top of that you have a LinkedIn profile which then you can link to, or with this when you are searching for other jobs, you look and get back into the workforce outside of working from home and continue building your skill sets working from home and generating that passive income. And here where you can earn more money than you can. Please feel free to share in a comment below, and also if you have any questions, just ask in a comment below. And I hope this video helped you, and make sure to hit a like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out any videos about to make extra money online.